So I got the skid steer halfway finished. I took off the muffler. There's the turbo. Matter of fact, I didn't even check the turbo yet. No slop in the turbo, so that's good news. But there's a lot of oil, so I'm gonna take some stuff apart and clean that up. I got this hose right here that I cut. It actually goes to my heater in the cab. This is not right. This should not be touching this at all. So I don't know what happened here, if this is aftermarket. I don't know what's going on there, but here's the problem with the exhaust. Now, this is a factory part from Caterpillar right here. Looks like it worked great. Blink! It didn't. I got this one. I'm gonna make this work.